Nag-iiwa kapadang tomboy maan ako sa inyong palingin na kaanak pa rin. Thank you!
Pantay sa gitna ng ulan. Dedicated to all Barangay Tanog of Barangay San Juan. This rainy outfit is more than just protection from the weather. It is a symbol of a mother's quiet courage and unconditional love. Wearing a military green raincoat, she stands tall not just as a Barangay Tanog, but as a father who braves the storm for her child. The color represents her strength and her willingness to serve, even if it means walking under the rain, with tired feet and a heavy heart. Her black boots, worn and soaked, have walked through darkness and danger. She keeps going, yet she keeps going, because behind every step is the face of a child waiting at home, hoping for a warm meal and a hopeful tomorrow. But it's the umbrella that tells her full story. Decorated with soft cotton clouds, it shows her warm embrace that comforts even in chaos. The raindrops are her silent tears and her daily struggles. She chooses to carry alone, and the lightning streaks, they are her bursts of strength when she feels like giving up, but can't because a mother never asks. She didn't choose this job for pride. She chose it because someone calls her nanay. And that alone is worth every sacrifice. Hindi madali ang trabaho, pero ginagawa ko ito para maihain sa hapag at may marating ang Joanna Sanchez. Thank you very much. That is our gandang nanay candidate. You have picked Miss Crisabel de la Cruz.
Kaya mo yan, Dugong! Magandang gabi po sa iyo. Ito ang aking katanungan. Sa isang salita, paano mo ilalarawan ang sarili mo bilang ina at bakit? Ulitin ko ha. Sa isang salita, paano mo ilalarawan ang sarili mo bilang isang ina at bakit?
Pwede mong paulit.
Sa isang salita, paano mo ilalarawan o i-describe ang iyong sarili bilang isang ina at bakit?
Bilang isa, ina, katulad ko,
Kaya mo yan, tingnan na.
bilang isa, katulad ko, lahat pinapasok, maging tanod, labor sa lahat. Para din sa aking mga anak, yun lamang po. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, gandang nanay candidate number 4.